When it comes to task management, two of the most popular tools that come up are Asana and Notion. But which one is the best choice for your needs? If you've been struggling to decide between Asana versus Notion for task management, stick around, because I'll break down the strengths and weaknesses of both, and by the end, I'll share a recommendation you might not expect. First up, let's talk about Asana. Asana is built specifically for task management, and it's designed to streamline workflows. Its user interface is clean and easy to navigate, making it great for teams who need a structured system. You can organize tasks into projects, set deadlines, assign responsibilities, and track progress. It's simple to use, but still powerful enough for bigger teams. But Asana does have its limitations. For instance, the free plan has limited features, and to unlock more advanced functionalities like reporting and custom fields, you need to go for one of the premium plans. If you're looking for something really flexible or with customizable templates, you might feel restricted. Next, we have Notion. Now, Notion is more of a multifunctional workspace that can handle everything from note-taking to knowledge management to task management. It's super customizable, so you can set it up however you want. Notion lets you create databases, set tasks, and track projects in a way that Asana can't quite match. However, its customization can sometimes be overwhelming. There's a bit of a learning curve, and if you're just looking for a simple task manager, Notion might feel like overkill. Additionally, Notion's task management features aren't as robust as Asana's when it comes to team collaboration and reporting tools. Now, let's talk about collaboration. Asana wins hands down in this area. It's got features specifically designed to keep teams connected, task assignments, due dates, comments, and attachments all in one place. If you're working with a larger team or managing multiple projects, Asana's ability to keep everyone on the same page is a big plus. On the other hand, Notion is more of an individual-centric platform, and while it can work for teams, it doesn't provide the same collaborative features out of the box. You'd need to manually set up some workarounds to match Asana's team-oriented workflow. The fourth thing to consider is integration and automation. Asana shines here with its deep integrations across various apps like Slack, Google Drive, and Zoom. Plus, its automation features allow you to eliminate repetitive tasks. Notion, while flexible, doesn't have the same level of integrations or automations. If you're hoping for a seamless experience with your other apps, Asana is going to give you that edge. Now, pricing. Asana offers a free version, but again, it's pretty limited. If you want to unlock more features like timeline views and advanced reporting, you'll have to pay for it. Notion's free version is pretty generous, but once you start adding lots of media and databases, you may hit limits. The paid version for Notion is more affordable than Asana's premium plans, but you don't get as many task-specific features as you do with Asana. But here's the twist. While Asana and Notion are both solid task management tools, after trying both of them myself, I'm going to suggest a better alternative. Neither tool fully hits the sweet spot of task management, especially if you want something that's both simple and powerful. That's why I recommend checking out a different software that, after a lot of testing, I found to be the best fit for managing tasks efficiently. It's got all the features you need without the headaches. So, if you're looking for the best task management solution and want a tool that beats Asana versus Notion, make sure to take advantage of the free trial by clicking the first link in the description. Through this link, you'll get the best trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Try it out for yourself and see if it's the right fit for your task management needs.